Welcome to JH. I recently stumbled upon a platform called Reviewfastfood, which promises you a cool $100 just for completing simple tasks like product reviews and surveys. Sounds like a dream, right? Or perhaps just a very poorly constructed hallucination. Let's take a closer look before you start spending that imaginary money. First, we checked the website's registration and found it was registered in May 2025. It's so new it practically still has that freshly coated scam smell. And as we all know, a lack of a track record is a massive red flag. When we actually tried to claim a reward, the site didn't exactly hand over the cash. Instead, it kept redirecting us to random, unrelated pages. Because nothing says legitimate business, quite like being bounced around the internet like a digital pinball. A proper rewards platform should have a smooth, clear process. But these random redirects are a loud, flashing warning sign that something is off. We also went hunting for their social media profiles and came up completely empty-handed. Most Real platforms love to stay connected on Facebook or Twitter, but this site is playing a very dedicated game of hide-and-seek with its own users. To make matters worse, there is absolutely no contact support and not a single privacy policy to be found. Trustworthy websites usually tell you how they handle your data, but here, you're basically left in the dark, which is a great place to be if you enjoy identity theft. Finally, they claim to have over 127,000 happy members, yet sites like Trustpilot show 0 real reviews. I suppose those 127,000 people are just incredibly shy and collectively decided to stay silent. It's truly a miracle of modern statistics. So, is Reviewfastfood legit? Given the recent registration, the weird redirects, the total lack of social presence, and those unverifiable member claims, it's looking incredibly suspicious. I wouldn't trust this site with my data, and you probably shouldn't either. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you want more honest reviews that won't lead you into a digital black hole, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.